Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.